Welcome everyone. Recently I had this really bad issue. My right Joy-Con wasn't being detected when I pull it into the Switch. So you can tell whether or not your Joy-Con's being detected, because you can see on the left side's lit up, and same with the right side. However, the second you remove a Joy-Con, you can see it's not lit up anymore. Now I fixed it, right? However, I did do a live tutorial on how to fix it. The issue is that my debit card, like you can see right here, that was in view, like all the numbers, everything. So obviously I don't want to lose all my money, so I'm re-recording this video. So I'm going to show you 3 methods to fix it. I've seen other videos they show 1, but I'm going to show you 3 methods. The third method is the one I personally used, but I advise you use the first 2 because those are easier and they are less effort. And if none of the 3 methods work in this video, I'll talk about other videos you can watch to fix the issue and possible solutions that you can take. So first things first is you need to make sure both Joy-Cons are, slotted into the Switch, whether or not they are actually detected as being slotted. So what you guys might not know is that if you take out, a Joy-Con, you can still use it, right? So you can see I'm controlling your page, you can still use it. So even if it isn't being detected as slot in, you will need to slot it in, right? First step. Now, I'm kind of suck at this, so let's do it. Oh no, I got the mattress stuck. This is why I should probably use a tripod. But you can see, now plugged in. And the first step is we're going to head over to System Settings. We're going to find Controllers. And then we're going to tap on it, Disconnect. We're going to hold X, just like that. All controllers have been disconnected. Boom. Now, you can see it's already auto-paired, which is annoying, but usually it won't. So you're going to unplug left Joy-Con, unplug right Joy-Con. There we go. Just like that. So they're now outside. I want to go back. We're going to go to Controllers. We're going to change grip. And then I want you to find this black button right here. Just hold it down. And eventually you'll see this spinning thing. And you can see paired. And I want you to do it with both Joy-Cons. So this is going to recalibrate the connection. And once that's done, I want you to slot both of them in. And for me, when I did this, the right Joy-Con still didn't work, okay? But it is required for the next steps. So I've already fixed the issue. So again, you do see it's working. So we go back, right? And then we go back into settings. And then I want you to find controllers. And we just do this process again. So tap on disconnect. Hold the X. Okay. Now we just do the exact same thing. So we remove both. Okay. And then we're going to go into controllers, change grip, and this time we're going to do it slightly differently. So we're going to hold down the black button until they both are paired. So if they're already paired, just repair them. So boom. And then we're going to hold down L and R together. Boom. You can see controllers are recognized. Now we slot it in one more time, just like this. If I can actually slot it in. There we go. And finally, what you're going to do is you're going to sleep the Switch. So you just tap on the power button. And I want you to just put the Switch on the dock or on the charger. Make sure it says charging. And for me, this fix actually worked. But I had to wait from 9 to 12. So that is 3 hours. Just leave it on for 3 hours and it should work. Now, if it doesn't work, let's go through the next 2 fixes. So the final fix was the one that I just used earlier and it worked 100%. The fix I've just shown was the one that fixed it temporarily, but the issue started showing it up again for me when I recorded the fix tutorial initially. So what we're going to do is we're just going to try restarting, right? Very simple, but a restart could fix your issue. So you hold down the power button, power options, then find power off. Then you just want to remove both Joy-Cons, slot them back in, and then try again, right? If it doesn't work, we're going to move on to fix 3. So you notice this can. So this is compressed gas, and I want you to get compressed gas. This is the fix that just worked for me, and it stayed working for quite a while. So we're going to remove both Joy-Cons, okay? We're also going to power off the Switch. So power options, power off. So we'll move this to the side. And now what I want you to do is you see right here, we have this black plastic layer. I want you to use compressed gas on everywhere. So the top part, and all around the sides here, all around the side there as well. And on the switch itself, I want you to put compressed gas. You can see, we can't see, there we go, you can see right there and right there. You see that crevice? Just make sure you put the compressed gas in. Make sure you use a short burst, not hold it down, or you might, like, bad things will happen. So what I could do, in fact, the issue is, I can do this. So just put the compressed gas, right? Short bursts, make sure you cover all corners. Do the bottom one. There we go. And you will notice a bit of frosting, that's fine. Now compressed gas, while you can see liquids coming out, it's not water and it evaporates very quickly. Therefore, even the liquid itself, it cannot cause water damage or dumb stuff like that. So the frosting is perfectly fine. Now we're just going to do the switch. So, boom, just go around, just like that. And we'll just do the top as well, just for extra measure on these SR buttons as well. And now you are good to go. So, you can see the frosting shows up, that's perfectly fine. The switch will also be cold, and the Joy-Cons themselves. Finally, just turn back on the switch, right? And the boot up time shouldn't take that long. So, there we go. Right? And once it's booted up, try putting it on, and now it should work. So, boom. And that's what has permanently fixed it for me. And you can see both are fully working. Now, if you're at this point in the video, and for some reason it's not working, there are 3 reasons. So the first one is the actual Joy-Con itself has a connector which can detect whether or not you've inserted it. Now, we can tell whether it's a switch fault or Joy-Con fault. You see this accessory right here. Put the Joy-Con into here, and if you don't see the lights, essentially what that means is that there might be something up. Now, I'm just speculating here. There is a chance that there is just reflection of the light, but I'm almost certain that isn't the case at all. But if it's the switch issue itself, then we have a bit of issues. So to fix that, where the Joy-Con itself is at fault, I will leave a great tutorial in the description. Essentially, one of the cables unplugged, you just need to plug it back in. It's pretty darn simple. You do need a screwdriver though, which might be a downside. Now the next issue is the switch itself. The connectors for the Joy-Cons might have became a bit faulty, and the third reason is the Joy-Con itself has become faulty beyond repair. So if that's the case, check your warranty, and if you do have warranty, you can always go to Nintendo themselves and get a new Joy-Con or Switch entirely, which would be pretty darn cool. I mean, they should have a year warranty. I could be wrong here. And also, if you bought insurance, I advise you just redeem that. So that's how to fix the issue with the right Joy-Con not being detected. When this happened, 9 AM this morning, it's currently 6 PM, I was freaking out because, like in 20 hours, I'll never be able to use this Joy-Con again. If I couldn't fix this, because I don't actually have a Joy-Con charger, I only have the Switch as the charger. But thankfully, it's all fixed, and this tutorial should help you out. If it doesn't, let me know, although I've literally covered everything. So if the fixes in this video don't work, check out the video in the description. And if that doesn't work, then you have to contact Nintendo. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.